Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to save hours of manual work using the bulk generation feature in the AI Alt Image Text plugin. Whether you've got dozens or even hundreds of images without alt text, this tool makes it effortless to generate descriptive, SEO-friendly alt tags in seconds. There are two ways to generate alt text for images that are missing it. If you're looking to generate text for a handful of images, head to the Media Library, click on Bulk Select, and then select any images you want to generate or regenerate alt text for. Images that have a red circle in the right-hand corner currently have no alt text. To generate text for all of the images on your site without selecting them individually, head over to the AI Alt Image Text plugin dashboard and click on Regenerate All in the Quick Actions settings. The plugin automatically generates alt text for all of the images on your site. If you'd like to skip images that already have alt text, or only generate alt text for images within a specific folder, you can head to the Bulk Settings tab and adjust those settings to only generate alt text for images that you feel need it. Behind the scenes, the plugin uses AI to understand each image and generate clear, contextually accurate descriptions. No more guessing what's in image123.jpg. Now every image gets a meaningful, accessible, and SEO-optimized text in one click. And that's it! With bulk generation, you can handle hundreds of images in just minutes. Perfect for photographers, bloggers, or e-commerce stores. Try it out today and give your site an accessibility and SEO boost with AI Alt Image Text.